If you're watching this video, it's because, as I did, you bought this great deal on Amazon for this bathroom fan with automatic sensors, which seems like a really good deal. So, as every handyman wannabe like me, I went ahead and installed the fan as a replacement. I didn't think it much, so I just went ahead and replaced the old fan, installed the new one, and replaced the switch because it comes with a switch, right? That shows that has an automatic fan or automatic option, night option. So I'll replace it. But when I noticed is that the switch had three cables, one white, one black, and one green. But my old switch, it only had the green ground for ground, the black for, and two blacks, which is basically the function of every normal fan. It just opens and closes the circuit, or basically just the hot line or the power line, right, on the board. So as you probably noticed, it didn't work. You replace the switch, and it doesn't work. So I was ready to disassemble and send it back to Amazon when I decided to read the manual, and something caught my eye. It said the the switch is actually a wireless remote control that requires a separate power circuit. So what I did was just to bridge, just as a tryout, I bridged the two black cables that were on the previous switch, and I just use a jumper just to close the circuit. I mean, you can use a twist cap. In my case, I'm using this new quick end caps. These I find out these are really useful. So anyway, so I close the circuit. It's always powered, but it didn't work until I did this. So this was a try, right? So I just connect the switch into a piece of cord just to try if it works. And guess what? Now that I do this, the fan works. So basically, just long story short, you have to power the fan directly to the circuit. So forget about the older switch. Just use a pair of the just a end cap, and just join the two black cables that used to be controlled by your old switch. Just close that circuit. The fan needs to be always connected. Just think of this as if it was connected to a power outlet, because this controller is going to remotely control the fan. See? It's actually pretty impressive. It's pretty nice. I'm just a little, disappointed that it wasn't that obvious. And on the manual, it's really tricky just to read it. So believe me, this was my last attempt before going back to the return process to Amazon. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and just power this through a different outlet. Probably just going to utilize an old power outlet and just change it for the switch. Remember, this is just for try, just for demonstration. So I used, but the proper installation is probably just to remove the power outlet and replace it with this. Just wired as, following any electrician's code, whatever. So this is just to let you know that you didn't get a bad unit. You just got a unit that is not a plug and play replacement from your old bathroom fan. I hope this helped. Thank you.